For centuries, humanity survived and thrived through systems rooted in care, balance, and shared wisdom. Medicine grew from the earth, food came from living soil, education shaped leaders, thinkers, healers, and guardians of life. These systems were not perfect, but they were guided by one essential principle: life was sacred. Then greed took the wheel. Natural medicine that healed communities for generations was pushed aside, sold off, or outlawed because it could not be patented, controlled, or endlessly monetized. We replaced healing with dependency, prevention with prescriptions, wisdom with profit margins. Illness became an industry. Agriculture followed the same path. Diverse, resilient food systems were abandoned because they did not fit the needs of large-scale profit. What could not be owned, engineered, or patented was erased. Soil was stripped, seeds were controlled. Food became a commodity rather than nourishment. In chasing yield and profit, we starved the world of health. Education, once meant to awaken intelligence and responsibility, was reshaped to produce obedience rather than understanding. Instead of teaching people how to think, we taught them what to repeat. Leaders became managers, citizens became consumers. Now, after the Industrial Revolution, after the Internet, after AI, after access to more knowledge than any generation in history, we stand at a strange and painful crossroads. We possess tools that could make life healthier, easier, and more humane for everyone. Yet we are moving in the opposite direction. We have traded our trust for systems that repeatedly fail us. We hand our health to industries that profit from sickness. We surrender our food to corporations that exhaust land and people alike. We accept banking, governing, and healthcare structures that no longer serve the average family while telling ourselves this is the only way. It is not. An average family can barely make ends meet. Communities are fragmented. Anxiety is normalized. Exhaustion is expected. And still, we cling to systems that were never designed to protect human dignity, only accumulation. The greatest tragedy is not that these systems exist, but that we continue to believe in them long after they have proven unworthy. We do not need more control, we need remembrance. To remember that healing begins with nature, not domination, that food is medicine, that education should liberate, not condition, that technology should serve humanity, not replace it, that progress without ethics is regression in disguise. We must wake up before life becomes even harder, before control tightens further, before the cost of silence becomes irreversible. The future is not lost, but it will not be given to us by corporations, corrupted governments, or hollow faith in broken systems. It will only return if we choose it. Life worth living. Shasha Horizon 2025.